Hi there, it's November 2021, an update of the portfolio and the new stock I added to my daughter's dividend portfolio. How are you today? Welcome to my channel where you can follow my journey to set up and maintain a dividend portfolio for my 6-year-old daughter. Yes, she just turned 6. And of course, a new stock is added this month. I started buying dividend stocks for my daughter for at least $50 every month starting January 2020, when she was 4. Next to that, I bought 0.01 Bitcoin, which is growing 4 to 5% yearly. Watch the whole video to find out which stock I bought for November and why. November 2021. I bought the 23rd dividend paying stock and will give an overview of the portfolio and the market in October. And I will present the stock I bought. If you are new and like to follow my journey and see the dividend portfolio of my daughter grow, then please consider subscribing. I upload a new video each month at least. Let's do a small recap from my previous videos and discuss the market, the S&P 500 as well as Bitcoin and the portfolio in October. I have bought 22 dividend paying stocks. Along the way I diversified along each sector according to eToro, the broker I use. I have ensured that there are dividend payouts each month. Actually, now the portfolio has at least $1 in dividend payouts each month. And so I can invest this directly the next month in a new dividend stock. What happened in October? After September being the worst since the start, October did very well. The S&P 500 went up from just below 4,300 up to 4,600, a new all-time high. The portfolio did very well as well. It went up from 10.5% to 17% in the green. Most stocks went up, some even quite a lot. 8 stocks went up 10 percent points. PPG Industries, Merck, they both went up 15 percent points. And Microsoft, the most, with close to 21%. But it was not all green. A couple of stocks went down, but not very much. AT&T went down the most with close to 6% points. And Bitcoin? Bitcoin had an epic month and made a massive run up from 43k to 61k. And with that making a new all-time high of close to 67k. Nonetheless, BlockFi gave a nice interest which resulted in an additional 3,968 Satoshi. And with the received interest of the previous months, I have in total 1,066,123 Satoshi. If you are interested in BlockFi, where you can open an interest account and buy Bitcoin, you can use the link below. It gives a $10 bonus when you invest $100 or more. And I received $1.06 dividend payouts in October. McCormick & Company, Genuine Parts Company, Cardinal Health, and Merck all resulted in $1.06 in dividends. And of course, this will be added to the stock to buy in November, along with $50. And this month, I looked into green dividend stocks. The stock I bought is NextEra Energy Partners LP. The company is a limited partnership formed to acquire, manage, and own contracted clean energy products. The company owns a portfolio of contracted renewable generation assets consisting of wind and solar projects, as well as natural gas infrastructure assets located in the United States and Canada. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and a bit of educational purposes only. Any investments had risks, so do your own research. And so I bought NextEra Energy Partners on the first day of November for $51.06. If you like this video, please consider liking or sharing this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me to grow this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next video.